Introducing the RPN Calculator, a custom-built Arduino-powered calculator that uses reverse Polish notation, or RPN, to evaluate expressions efficiently. Most calculators use infix notation, like 3 plus 4 equals 7, but our project uses reverse Polish notation, or RPN. In RPN, you enter the numbers first, then the operator, for example, 3, 4, plus equals 7. By running our calculator in this postfix notation, it removes the need for parentheses, and the order of operations is handled naturally by the stack. At the heart of this calculator is our custom-built stack library, which stores numbers in memory and works just like a real-world stack where you push values in and pop them out in the reverse order. The push function adds a number to the top. Pop removes the most recent entry. It also handles edge cases like empty or full stacks, returning an AN if something goes wrong. Peek lets us look at the top value without removing it, and get size tells us how many values are on the stack. Simple, efficient, and built just for the calculator. The keypad for the calculator is using a one-wire keypad, which uses voltage division to divide up the voltage into equal segments of 16 different buttons for the different inputs. There are 4 operands on the keypad: adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Here are the thresholds I used for the keypad, and this is the logic used for each operand. The final output of the arithmetic is then displayed on an LCD screen. The top row is like a live input tracker, which shows the sequence of keys you've pressed, and the bottom row displays the result of the stack, formatted cleanly with 4 decimal places. To bring everything together, the calculator is housed in a custom-designed 3D-printed case, which protects the electronics and gives the whole build a polished, finished look. The case was modeled in Fusion 360 to fit the LCD, support the keypad, and Arduino. With the polished case, this project brought together the code, electronics, and design all into one compact, purposeful device.